And now for the theme song. The adventures in nursery rhymes, unknown and very bizarre, with Zara and Mr. Collins White. Hello, Haberfield. Time to learn another unknown, bizarre nursery rhyme called Pease Porridge Hot. But first of all, Zara's going to learn how to spell peas, because it's an old English way of spelling peas. Ready, Zara? P.
P.
E.
E.
A.
A.
S.
S.
E.
E.
Very good, Zara. You get a treat for learning how to spell peas. You don't at home, only Zara does. Very good. Now Zara's going to learn the unknown nursery rhyme, Pease Porridge Hot. Ready, Zara? Good girl, she's ready. Pease Porridge Hot.
Pease porridge hot.
Pease Porridge Cold.
Pease porridge cold.
Pease Porridge in the pot,
Pease porridge in the pot.
9 days old.
9 days old.
Some like it hot.
Some like it hot.
Some like it cold.
Some like it cold.
Some like it in the pot, 9 days old.
Some like it in the pot. 9 days old.
She's learnt it. Now we can do it. Ready? When we do this nursery rhyme, there are 3 dances. A waltz, which Zara and I have practiced a lot, a jig, and you might know what a jig is, but it has a special skipping action in it. And we finish with a march, don't we, Zara? Yes, we finish with a march. So get ready. We're going to do all those actions while we do this nursery rhyme.
Pease porridge hot, pease porridge cold, pease porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot, 9 days old. Pease porridge hot, pease porridge cold, pease porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Some like it hot,
Some like it cold.
some like it in the pot, 9 days old. Pease porridge hot, pease porridge cold, pease porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot, 9 days old.
Very good, Zara. Very good. We're going to learn peas porridge hot. Let's do that again because I forgot the last word. Come here. You need to look at the camera. We're doing a video for the kids at school. Now, you've got to be serious. Are you going to be serious? Zara, give me your hand. Give me your paw. No, not lick. We'll have to do that again. Zara? Don't move around. Don't. I have to do it again. Good girl. Now, I want to talk to you about doing a waltz. Okay? You go like this. That's it. You go like that. Very good. And we're going to learn a waltz. Okay. Come on. Let's do a jig. Zara, you doing a jig? Good girl. Zara, you're not taking this seriously. We're going to learn a march. Oh dear, she's not taking this seriously. We have to do it again. You ready? Oh, what's that smell on my foot? Oh no. You have to do that again. I've trodden in some poo. Sorry.